Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be doing resin art on this tin lid. So let's start. For that I'm going to start by priming up the base of the tin by applying white color. Applying it all over the tin. It may take few coats. So I applied the paint. It took me 2 coats and I'm also applying it on sides and leaving it to dry. So this is dry. Now I'm going to be using this resin from Epoke art. So this comes with a bottle of resin and a bottle of hardener. So for that we would wear some gloves for safety. We would require this weighing scale, as on the bottle it says measure by weight. We need to measure it by the ratio of 3:1. For that I am taking this disposable plastic cups. First I am taking this resin, the big bottle, and we need 3 parts of this. So I am going to weigh about 30 grams of resin. Pour slowly. So I have taken 30 grams of resin. Try to not to spill resin on your surface on which you are working on. I'm going to tear it and bring it to 0 and going to weigh about 10 grams of hardener. So it's 10 grams of hardener. Now we are going to mix this both resin and the hardener really well. It would turn a little foggy in the beginning, but we need to mix and it would slowly get clear. Just thoroughly mix everything. We want the hardener to be mixed with the resin really well. So now it is done. Now I'm going to take more 3 cups because I want more 3 colors. Now I'm going to try to make equal parts in these 3. Just adding a little. I think that's about the equal. First I'm taking this white paint. I'm using acrylic paints for coloring. We need to mix these colors also really well. Now second I'm using this silver glitter powder for this. Thoroughly mix. The third color that I'm going to use is a pink color. You can see this pink and mixing it well inside there. Keep mixing until you can't see any clear resin. I'm going to leave the third cup as plain for pouring on top. Now I'm going to start by adding a little of the silver color in the middle and adding this white color around it. and the pink color around it, around the white color. Save a little as you would be pouring more on top. I'm even adding some more white. You can mix and match colors and just pour it. Now I'm going to take a stick and swirl it around. You don't know how it's gonna turn out, just go for it. At every time it turns a little different. I'm pouring this pink around it to cover it. Again bringing the silver back in and just randomly making these swirls. I'm going to pour a little of the clear resin on top. You can see the pink is separating and got pulled out to the edges. Now at last I have poured a little clear resin in the middle. Just tap it. Now I'm going to take this hair dryer and blow out all the air bubbles that are on top, and it would even create a nice pattern. Now we are going to leave it to dry for 24 hours. Now to clean this all up, put all the sticks in one cup and put all the stuff that you use for resin in a bag, the napkin also, and close the bag and then dispose it off. To clean the spilled resin, you can take some tissue and some rubbing alcohol and wipe off the areas which has resin on it. So it's been 24 hours and our resin is dried, and you can see there is glitter on top and it's looking really good. Now to end, I'm going to apply this nice golden color on the edges. You can take any other color, you can even use silver for this part. And our resin coaster or resin art, whatever you call it, is now ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.